All right. Well, let's get started. It's a little bit after 2. So welcome to the break today. This is for a 2020 Topps Chrome Jumbo Hobby Box. Just wanted to give a word. This is actually our inaugural break here, so we are super thrilled to be here today with you guys. We're excited to get into the breaking industry here. So just a quick word. My name is Dan, aka Goose, as most people call me. My partner in crime, my brother Andy, is also part of this. He is not here today due to other obligations, but he will be here for future breaks. So like I said, we're excited to be here today. Hopefully we'll get some beginner's luck here and pull something good for you guys. So with that being said, we can go ahead and dig into this. So, like I said, we have a Topps Chrome Jumbo Hobby Box today. There's 5 Chrome autographs per box on average, so we will see what we pull. So let's get started here. Let's see here. There we go. All right. First pack. Hopefully we get something good here for you guys. So, Adalberto Mondesi, Dansby Swanson, Victor Reyes, Paul DeJong, Yoan Moncada, and we already have our first autograph. It's James Marvel, and that almost looks like a gold wave. So yep, there it is, number 22 out of 50. So right off the bat, a gold wave autograph numbered to 50 for James Marvel and the Pirates. Wow. Next we got Andrew Heaney, Refractor. Jose Altuve, 35th anniversary. We got Jack Flaherty. Jose Abreu, reigning MVP. Robbie Ray. Max Muncy. And finally, Mike Trout. Not a bad way to open it up. Let's get this. All right. Second pack, we have Harold Ramirez, Liam Hendricks, Nick Senzel, Keston Hiura, Gold Cup, Jose Barrios, and another autograph. 2 straight packs for an autograph. This one's Brendan McKay rookie card. Very nice looking card there. Looks like a base autograph on this one. 2 packs, 2 autographs. Next, we got a Miguel Cabrera Refractor. Nico Horner, 35th anniversary rookie. Next is Nicky Lopez. Paul Goldschmidt. Lucas Giolito. Archie Bradley. And George Springer. Two packs, two autos. Not a bad start here. Like I said, hopefully we do have some beginner's luck here. So far, so good. Pack number 3. Ketel Marte. Walker Buehler. Shohei Ohtani. Blake Snell. And Luis Robert. Big time rookie already. That one is a base card. Very nice though. Next we have Aquino, freshman flash insert. Robel Garcia, refractor, rookie. Next we have a prism refractor of Luis Castillo. Love these prism refractors, they're really cool cards. Next we have Austin Meadows. Rogelia Armenteros, rookie card. Don't know if I pronounced his first name right there, but Ronald Guzman. Nick Solak, rookie. And then lastly, Eric Hosmer. Next pack, we have John Lester. Eloy Jimenez. It's a bummer he just got hurt. He's got a lot of potential. Miles Mikolas. Eddie Rosario. Edwin Rios, rookie. And another autograph of Jake Rogers. Looks like a base autograph on this one as well, to the Tigers. Jake Rogers. Next is a Jeff Samardzija refractor. And we have another prism refractor of Robbie Ray going to Arizona. JD Martinez. Austin Nola, rookie for the Mariners. Joey Gallo. Bobby Bradley, rookie. That's my boy. We are from Cleveland, so always excited to see Indians cards pulled. Although soon not to be the Indians. And then lastly, Shin-Soo Choo. All right, next pack we got Chris Archer. Brock Burke, rookie. Jonathan Villar. Zach Collins, rookie from the White Sox. We have future stars Brendan Rodgers. Willie Mays from the Giants. Very nice insert card there. Next, Trevor Williams, Refractor for the Pirates. Keston Hiura, 35th Anniversary Refractor. Logan Allen, rookie. Jeff McNeil. Zach Gallen, rookie. Miguel Rojas. And then lastly, Dustin May, rookie for the Dodgers. Nomar Mazara. Kevin Biggio. Raziel Iglesias. Sam Hilliard, rookie for the Rockies. Future Stars, Ramon Laureano. Another insert, Hank Aaron. Getting all the old timers here. Very nice. Mike Soroka, Refractor. Gold Cup there. To the Braves. Nolan Arenado, 35th Anniversary. Abraham Toro, rookie for Houston. Rhys Hoskins. Justin Dunn, rookie for the Mariners. Carter Kieboom. And then Kyle Lewis, rookie. Nice pull for the Mariners there. Even though it's a base rookie, it's still a very, very good one. Kyle Lewis. All right, next pack, we got Patrick Corbin. Anthony Kay, rookie for Toronto. Trey Turner. AJ Puck from the A's, rookie card. I think that guy's going to be good. Dan Vogelbach. And another autograph here, Sheldon Neuse for Oakland. Base auto. Next we have a Juan Soto Refractor. Very nice card. Another Prism, Jack Flaherty. Prism Refractor. Oscar Mercado. Junior Fernandez, rookie. Brian Reynolds. Justin Verlander. And lastly, Gleyber Torres. See, so that's 4 autos already out of 5. Michael Fulmer. Charlie Blackmon. Jose Altuve. Trevor Story. Future Stars, Will Smith. Freshman Flash. Another Sheldon Neuse for the A's. Bo Bichette. Bo Bichette Refractor, actually. Very nice card. Bo Bichette. Love that we got a big rookie in a refractor. Very nice pull. And then we have a Prism refractor of Christian Yelich. Mitch Haniger. Gavin Lux rookie card. Another nice pull there. Francisco Lindor. Adbert Alzole, sorry. Rookie card for the Cubs. And then Pete Alonso. Polar Bear. Jordan Alvarez, rookie card. Hitting a lot of good rookies so far. Very nice. Carlos Santana. Marcus Semien. Xander Bogaerts. Looks like we have a green wave possibly coming up here. Future Stars, Eloy Jimenez. We got here for the Mariners, it is Kyle Lewis. Wow. Very nice pull. Kyle Lewis rookie, green wave. Love that card. That should be numbered to 99. 67 out of 99. Big pull for the Mariners there. Love it. Next, we got a Yu Chang rookie refractor. Another Luis Robert 35th anniversary refractor. Another big rookie pull. Mike Yastrzemski. Trent Grisham rookie. Jacob deGrom. Sean Murphy rookie. And then lastly, Hanser Alberto. Kyle Lewis, green wave. I guess so far the beginner's luck does seem to be holding true here. Ian Desmond. Luis Urias. Mookie Betts. Nolan Arenado. Carlos Correa. Do we have an orange? An orange Gavin Lux. Oh, and I think that is a short print photo variation. Wow. To the Dodgers. That is crazy. That should be numbered to 25. Number 1 out of 25. Whew, man. Gavin Lux. Orange refractor photo variation. Wow, guys, this is awesome. Next is Brandon Lowe. Refractor. Actually, might be Brandon Lau. Bo Bichette. Another Bo Bichette. 35th anniversary refractor. Another nice pull. Jake Rogers, rookie. Noah Syndergaard. Domingo Leyba, rookie. Chris Paddock. And then Travis Demeritz for the Tigers, rookie card. Another look at that Gavin Lux orange refractor photo variation. Wow. Very nice card there to the Dodgers. Love all the colored refractors we're getting in this box. Ronald Acuna. Whit Merrifield. Orlando Arcia. Luis Ariz. Kyle Schwarber. Freshman flash of Asan Diaz. Rookie refractor, Andres Munoz from the Pirates. Another prism refractor, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Gold Cup prism. Another nice card there. Going to the Blue Jays. Yu Chang, rookie. Trevor Williams. Andrew Heaney. Brandon Lau. And Mike Soroka. All right, guys, down to the last pack here. Hopefully we can get some last pack magic here, too. First up, Andrelton Simmons. Bryce Harper. Phillies. German Marquez. Willie Adams, or Adames, sorry, to the Rays. Rowdy Tellez. And there is autograph number 5. It is Zach Gallen to the Arizona Diamondbacks, rookie. Base auto. We have a Pablo Lopez refractor. Another prism. This one to the White Sox, Jose Abreu. Prism refractor. Colin Moran. Alex Bregman. Andrew Benintendi. Ozzie Albies. And then lastly, Matthew Boyd. Just a quick recap here of the main hit, Zach Gallen, which you just saw. Refractor. Or no, excuse me, autograph. No, base card. Sorry about that. The Gavin Lux orange refractor photo variation. First one, numbered 1 of 25. Kyle Lewis green wave, numbered to 99. 67 out of 99. Got a Bo Bichette Refractor. Sheldon Noose autograph. Base autograph. Jake Rogers, rookie autograph. Base to the Tigers. Luis Robert, rookie. Base rookie. A Brendan McKay, rookie auto. And then lastly, from the first pack, the James Marvel Gold Wave auto. Numbered 22 of 50. All right, guys. Overall, that is a pretty good box there. A lot of color refractors. Very nice. So I see a question on here where somebody missed the first half of the break. So we will be uploading this break to our YouTube channel. It's the same name, CLE Bros Sports Cards, all one word. So I'm going to be getting that uploaded to YouTube probably later on today. So you'll be able to watch the break if you missed it. Also, real quick, if you are interested, we are going to be having another Topps Chrome break next Saturday, so that listing will go live tomorrow night. So kind of keep an eye out for that if you're interested in seeing more Topps Chrome here. That one will be for a 2020 Topps Chrome hobby box, not the jumbo, just a regular hobby box, and then also 2 blaster boxes included in that one. So like I said, check out our eBay page for those listings going active tomorrow night. So yeah, thank you guys for catching us with this break, for your purchase. And like I said, we are super excited to get into this. Once my brother Andy is here for the second one next week, hopefully it'll be a little more fun having 2 of us here. So we're really excited. So thank you guys. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.